Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, a vibrant city on the edge of Lake Superior. This area has been an important gathering place for Indigenous peoples for thousands of years, long before the first Europeans arrived. French explorers came here in the 1600s and named it Sault Ste. Marie, meaning Rapids of St. Mary, after the nearby fast-flowing river. The town grew as a key stop for the fur trade and later became a hub for shipping, steel, and railroads. Today, you'll find a welcoming community with a rich cultural mix and stunning views of the water. The St. Mary's River, which connects Lake Superior to Lake Huron, flows right through the heart of the city. You can walk the waterfront, cross the International Bridge to Michigan, or watch huge freighters navigate the famous Soo Locks. Whether you're here for the scenery, the history, or just passing through, Sault Ste. Marie has something special waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. Thanks for watching!